What is a modality? And often it's good when you look at this to start looking at how humans are communicating, and they're using language as a modality, both their word, their syntax, and the meaning behind these words, the acoustic aspect or the nonverbal aspect of speech, and definitely the visual gesture that comes with it. And human also through touch, and you have also now sensing that goes beyond the typical communication channels of human, looking at physiological or even at those mobile phones. So a modality is, by definition, it refers to the way into something is expressed or perceived. And as you think about modalities, I really like the idea of looking at it as how close to the original sensor they were, because you have raw modalities and you have abstract modalities. Raw modalities is probably what you will think of when you think of modalities, like speech or images. But then you have some somewhat abstracted modalities. Language is an abstraction, either from written text or spoken language. And then you have even more abstraction, like notation on these, like sentiment or object categories. So in a sense, you can see that all of these signals or all these sources of information can be seen as a modality. And so then multimodal could be simply defined as multiple modalities. But I personally believe that there's a better definition, which multimodal is the scientific study of heterogeneous and interconnected data. But really, what makes it also interesting multimodal is this interconnection between modalities in the way they are sharing information, and also the way that when they're fused together, they start interacting and creating something new.